We just finished the lesson on hooks about React, and there's a library I want to talk to you about because probably your reflex would be to write a lot of hooks inside your React application. And there's 99% of chance that the hook that you are going to write are actually already existing in this library from Streamish, React Use. So basically, what is React Use? It's a big library with tons of hooks, as you can see here, that you can use inside your React application. Here we've got an example of use scroll to track the HTML scroll position. So if I click here, I'm going to arrive directly on the piece of code that has been written already to track actually here where you scroll and what's happening, okay? So here we can see that when we install React Use, we can use actually the hook use scroll that has been already written for us to track where do we scroll. And here we've got the position and stuff, okay? There's tons of hooks that you can use. And if you want to check all of them, you can go here. I'm on the storybook of React Use, and there is a first demo here where I can test all the hooks. So I'm going to zoom a little bit. We can see that we are on use key. And if I press the key actually here, there we go. We can see that the hook is working. So the hook use key can be used here to get the key. But there's also, for instance, the use battery, and we've got the code here. And we've got also everything that is related to the hook itself. So we can see that we can get the level, the charging, the discharging time and stuff. We've got the use event, we've got use geolocation. Well, you understood that with React Use, you can use tons of hooks that are already existing, and you don't need to write these hooks. Okay, so React Use is really powerful. It's really known. I really encourage you to jump on it and to use React Use directly inside your React application.